I was pregnant in September 2020 is when I found out about our pregnancy, and it was in December that we experienced a miscarriage. We had went to the hospital just for a check-up, and the baby didn't have a heartbeat. But this prominent blue vein just didn't go away. I went to my GP and she was very, very good. She said, what we'll do is we'll refer you to the breast clinic. I sat down and she just said, there's no easy way to say this, Laura, but you've got breast cancer. And at that point, I just felt like my world had collapsed. The tumour was too big to be operated on initially, so it was 6 rounds of chemo, and then I had to go in for a 10-hour operation. It was a stage 3 cancer, but the cancer had now been removed from my body. And at that point I was told that just my baby saved my life. Yeah. The type of tumour which I had grew on oestrogen. Words that resonate with me are, if I'd had a viable pregnancy, I wouldn't have been here. The future for me is hopefully bright. I know that I'm getting kept a close eye on by the NHS, who have been absolutely wonderful. And it is difficult to keep yourself going, but what I would say is, I'm sure Fraser and I will have a family one day and have a good story to tell.